Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper. A system is described by the following differential equation: dy by dt plus 5y of t is equal to u of t, where u of t is the input of the system, y of t is the output of the system, and given initial value of y, that is y of 0 is equal to 1, and u of t is a unit step function. Find the value of y of t. Okay, so to calculate this y of t, first you have to apply Laplace transform, then apply inverse Laplace transform after simplification. Okay, so first step is apply Laplace transform. So y dot of t is y of s minus s into y of s. Y dot of t is dy by dt. Dy by dt is Laplace transform is s into y of s minus y of 0 plus 5 times of y of s is equal to u of s. Since it is a unit step function, you can write it as u of s is equal to 1 by s. And now s into y of s minus 1 plus 5 times of y of s is equal to 1 by s. So take y of s common, then it will be equal to s plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 1 by s. And take this s this side. So this will be y of s times of s square plus 5s minus s is equal to 1. This minus s, if you are taking this side, it will be treated as y of s into s square plus 5s is equal to s plus 1. Now y of s is equal to s plus 1 divided by s square plus 5s. So you can write it as s plus 1 divided by s into s plus 5. So this will be written as a by s plus b by s plus 5. So find a and b values. For that one you can write it as a into s plus 5 plus b into s is equal to s plus 1, because numerator is s plus 1. If you are taking it a into s plus 5 plus b into s divided by s into s plus 5, you will get. So a into s plus 5 plus b into s is equal to s plus 1. Now equate the coefficient of s term and constant terms. So if you are writing, this will be s into a plus b plus 5a is equal to s plus 1. So first equate constant terms. Equate constant terms is 5a is equal to 1, a is equal to 0.2. And if you are equating s terms, coefficients of s terms, at that time s plus b, a plus b is equal to 1 into s you can write. So it is 1. So b is equal to 1 minus a, 1 minus 0.2, which is nothing but 0.8. A value is 0.2, b value is 0.8. Now we can write y of s is equal to a by s, that is 0.2 by s, plus b is 0.8 divided by s plus 5. Take inverse Laplace transform. Take inverse Laplace transform. So that will give the y of t. Y of t is equal to 0.2 by s, which is going to be a constant whose magnitude is 0.2 plus 0.8 times of e power minus 5t. So the right answer for this question is 0.2 plus 0.8 my e power minus 5t, which is the right answer is A. So A is the right answer for this question. Thank you.